It's like they're getting fed. There you go. Right there. Good, good. You caught it. You caught it. There. Lean back a little bit more. Good. Put that one hand on the horn so you got it. Got something comfy. There you go. Good. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Daddy. Daddy.
He's so smart. The other thing you can do is when he breaks down to a walk like that, go ahead and just take advantage of it, because he always breaks down to what is really the walk you kind of want, and just make him walk for a couple steps. Easy, big guy. Easy. Easy. Steady. 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 Right there. Right there. Steady. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Go ahead and post again. Sit a bump. There you go. Good. Good. Inside leg. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Relax. And now sit again. Steady. Enough leg so it keeps going. Just enough leg. Don't kick. Just think gentle hugs. Resist the urge to grab with your knee. If you start to feel wiggly, just post a couple steps. Steady. Steady. And then you make the downward transition this time when you want it. There. All right, make him walk on.
Walk on.
Hey, you walk on.
Walk on.
Don't make me do it.
Walk on.
There you go. Good boy. Good boy. And just take a second and feel how much more his back moves.
Walk on.
And that wasn't much. That was really just me pointing at his hindquarters. So I think a little closer to the girth. I think, again, sort of your hunter-jumper training and me trying to get your thigh back tends to make your leg be a little on the far side back. So if we can get...
Is it right here?
Yeah, it's bordering on it, but I'd rather have it be there than have your knee as bent as you were before. I think it would be easier for us to work our way back, because your thigh's in so much better position now than it was before. And they're hard because they're connected. All right, let's halt him again. So I can switch this over.